Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on using the Landscape Planning tool. Once you've logged into your Tree Matrix account, click on the Landscape Planning tool from your dashboard and you'll be taken to this page. Here you'll see a list of basic parameters as well as advanced parameters that you can use to return a result of plants that are appropriate for your planting conditions. Start by entering your zip code, which will help us to limit the number of plants returned by your plant hardiness zone. We can fill in some additional criteria based on your needs, and we'll click Search. The list returned here is a list of all the plants that will be suitable for your area. You can read the descriptions and put a check mark next to any that you find particularly interesting, and click Next. On the final screen, you'll see a complete detailed report of each of your selected plants, as well as being able to view images on Google, so you can get a better idea of what this is going to look like as it grows up. Finally, you can print your report and send it to your printer or save it as a PDF for emailing. Thank you.